Today I'm going to be showing you how to exhibit rhubarb at a fair. When we're choosing rhubarb to exhibit at a fair, we want to start off with those that are brightly colored. Green varieties or the red varieties, we're going to make sure that the coloring is even and that they are about the same as far as the color goes. We're not worried about the leaves. The leaves can look as bad as they need to because those are going to be cut off in the exhibiting process. You obviously want to avoid those that are really spindly on the smaller side and those that don't have any good substance to them. When we're choosing the rhubarb stems, ideally we would want them to be about 10 inches in length, give or take. When you harvest the rhubarb from the plant, pull it so that you wind up with the base of the stem on there. You don't have to worry about the base being a little bit on the rough side, but some judges like to see that base on there. So you want to be sure and check the rule book because it will usually tell you if the rhubarb needs to be cut. Normally we exhibit 3 stems on a plate, so I'm going to choose these 3 stems for my exhibit. They're a little bit on the smaller side because at this time of the year the rhubarb is beginning to get a little bit smaller. In earlier spring the stems can be much wider. The goal is to have those stems about 1 inch in diameter. The only thing that needs to be done to the rhubarb would be to wash it if it's really dirty, or sometimes just taking a soft cloth will remove any debris that is on the stems. The next step would be to cut the leaves with a knife or with shears. Cut it in sort of a V shape, roughly about 2 inches in length. You want them to be really as similar as possible. So these are as close as I can get them today. The coloring is a little bit uneven with them, but we're looking for fairly similar lengths. We're looking for good substance, which means that they're firm and that they've been prepped and that the leaves are trimmed.